Hi, this is Greg and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we're going to do a little taste comparison between some of our favorite mangoes. We have the peach cobbler,
Pina Colada.
I saw PC, Pina Colada, coconut cream, and the PPK or lemon meringue. So, got a couple pieces of each there. Why don't you try it?
All right.
Pick which one you want to try first.
I'm going to do the Pina Colada first.
Try a piece of Pina Colada. This one is a little tart.
Mm-hmm.
It's probably a little
underripe.
but still
Really good.
has
flavorful.
It's a good complex, very tropical flavor.
Like Pina Colada, like pineapple, coconut.
Yeah, a lot of the pineapple flavor that's in there.
Yeah.
All right, next one is the coconut cream.
That's good.
This is a particularly good coconut cream.
It's got way more coconut.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is a much stronger coconut flavor. Sweeter. This has got more tartness. This is more sweet. All right, and now let's try some lemon meringue, some PPK. This one's also a little on the overripe side, but very sweet.
Sweet citrus.
Yeah.
No coconut.
No coconutty flavor.
The Pina Colada, the other one we had seemed to be more coconutty, and it was like almost overripe. So I think these changed from like a pineapple to a coconut flavor.
Yeah, and you can just see, I mean, this is still fairly green. It didn't even get all its yellow in it, but
It's still really good.
still good. Of these, this was the best ripened, and so therefore the best tasting as well. But now it's gone. But I always said that the PPK, the lemon meringue, is my favorite. It is awfully good. It is very candy sweet, but this coconut cream is fantastic. So
Yeah.
if I was rating just these three mangoes, I'd go 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, but based on the best of the best I've had this year of each one, I think these two would be tied, and then that'd be a second.
Yeah.
I really like both.
I had a really good Pina Colada earlier this year too.
Yeah.
It was really, really good.
Now our tree is not super productive, and the coconut cream is a really productive tree. Lemon meringue's a productive tree. So it'll just depend on if our Pina Colada picks up.
Overall, including the tree and production and everything else, I'm probably still going to have to go with the PPK because it's a very productive tree. The downside of the coconut cream, it's been very productive for us, but a lot of people have trouble getting much fruit off of them, and it's a really ugly tree. It has a really kind of a twisty growth pattern to it that it's kind of weird looking. Looks like a haunted tree or something, but overall, and Pina Colada, it's took me years just to get 1 or 2 fruit on it this year. It had a really hard time, I think, getting its root system established, which is a problem that other people have had as well.
And it was kind of a neglected tree, just irrigation and mulch wise for years.
Actually, but the last 2 years I've taken really good care of that tree, and it's still. So anyway, try them all. These are all good. All of these are 10 mangoes. You know, it's just kind of nitpicking about some little things to kind of differentiate them, but they're all excellent. So anyway.
Yeah, I think that these two are more forgiving. Like when you can
For
eat
growing
them.
them, yeah.
Like a little underripe or a little overripe, I feel like the fruit is still good.
Yeah.
The Pina Colada, when it's underripe, it's like really tart. So it's one that will get sweeter more drastically than
and
the
I've
other
had
ones.
coconut creams even this year, some that were way underripe and way overripe, and the flavor does change some, but it's still
Not
pretty
dramatic,
good.
yeah.
So anyway, all pretty good.
Yeah.
So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack.